Welcome back. So today, I'm going to say it, it's going to be a short vlog, 25 minutes later. No, today I've noticed the last couple of times I've used the caravan with a motor mover, the jockey wheel hasn't been kind of freely spinning its wheel. So sometimes if the wheel's pointing backwards and you bring the caravan backwards, the wheel kind of does a 180 degrees spin and then points the right way, and then when you come forward it spins the right way. Well, it hasn't been doing that, and also a couple of times certainly on the gravel drive I've noticed the wheel's kind of stuck sideways and then it just pushes along in the gravel, which makes it impossible to move on our drive. So I've been doing some research, and I think although the jockey wheel is only, I don't know, I'll put how old it is. I did look the other day, maybe a few months old, 6 months old maybe. What I've noticed is that the outside gets really dirty, and I've noticed gravel has been sticking to the kind of shaft thing, and when I've been winding it up and down, maybe I've got gravel in the mechanism. Not 100% sure, don't quote me on that. I've been doing a bit of research, and it seems to be lithium grease, which is the thing you need to use. So hopped on Amazon, got myself some lithium grease, about £10 I think for a pot of it. So I'm gonna dismantle the jockey wheel and I know, wish me luck. No, all I'm going to do is just separate the two halves. The half that's got the wheel. Now I've looked on a few vlogs, basically US or Australian ones. They seem to there's a split pin you remove and they take all the winding mechanism off, but I'm not going to get involved in that because it's not an old jockey wheel. As I said, it's just for some reason crud's got in there, so I'm going to do what I can to wipe the grease that's currently in that shaft, because it's just like a when you wind the wheel up and down, it's like a spiral kind of mechanism going on. So I'm going to clean what grease off there I can and put some more or less lithium grease on. In fact, what I've seen people do is like remove the wheel bit, so you just got the shaft, and then just basically cram grease in there. And then when you next put the jockey wheel in and start winding it, the grease then applies to the winding mechanism. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll film what I can. It's quite a windy day, so I'm probably not going to speak very much while I'm out there, but the plan is I've got the front higher so I can release the jockey wheel from its clamp. So remove the bottom part, release the top part, so I've got two bits in my hand, clean up the spiral mechanism, apply grease to the shaft that it goes in, and then when I next put it in, the grease will, that's the plan anyway, so that'll free that wheel up. It's a very annoying problem actually, and jockey, like I say, it's a cart jockey wheel and it's not that old, so I'm not entirely sure what's gone wrong, but anyway, maintenance is required. This is quality caravan vlogging.